Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, in this video, we are going to see how to fix Schlage electronic door lock not working or locking, reset, battery, and troubleshooting. Fixing a Schlage electronic lock requires checking the power supply, verifying proper latch alignment, checking interior thumb turn settings, and performing a factory reset. Most unresponsive locks are caused by dead batteries or physical binding between the door bolt and the door frame. 1. Change the batteries. If your keypad is completely dead or flashing red lights, /3 red X, your power is too low to operate the monitor. So remove the battery cover on the inside of the door and replace the old batteries with 4 high quality brand new AA alkaline batteries. Avoid any rechargeable batteries as the low voltage can cause motor issues. Fix 2. Check the interior thumb turn for keypad levers like FE595. If your lock stays unlocked permanently from the outside or refuses to lock, the back interior thumb turn may have been bumped. So locate the small turn piece on the inside of the door and ensure it is set to the horizontal position. If it is vertical, the lock is set to stay permanently unlocked. So turn it horizontally until you hear a click. Then test the keypad again. Fix 3. Check for physical jamming and door alignment. If the monitor is worn but the bolt won't fully extend into the door frame, the door is physically binding. First is to adjust the door. If you have to push or lift the door to get it to latch, your hinges may be sagging. Add shivs or tighten loose hinges. Then deepen the bolt pocket. The hole in the door frame strike plate needs to be at least 1 inch deep. If it is too shallow, the deadbolt cannot fully extend, which can trigger lock errors. So use a chisel to deepen the pocket. Fix 4. Check internal wire connections. If changing the batteries did not restore power, a wire might have become unplugged inside the door. So manually retract the deadbolt and unscrew the interior mechanism from the door. Then carefully check the small wire connecting the keypad to the interior assembly, ensuring it is snugly seated and uncrimpled. Fix 5. Perform a factory reset. Remove the battery cover and disconnect the battery pack. Then press and hold the exterior Schlage button. While holding the Schlage button, reconnect the battery. And continue holding until the lock flashes green and beeps. The default master code is restored. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.